What's up guys, Jim here. Today's video is a super easy one. I'm going to show you how to replace your wiper stalk or switch on your Ford Fiesta 2009 to 2017. Let's get started. I'm replacing this one as when I press the button it does nothing. I've done all the other checks, it's not a fuse or the wiper or anything. I'm 100% sure it's the switch. And the only tool I'll actually need to replace it is a T20 Torx screwdriver. If you turn your steering wheel to the left, you can see the first T20 here that we need to undo. And once that's removed, turn it all the way to the right and you'll find another one. Now both the top screws have been removed, simply pull the top trim and it should come off like so. You don't need to fully remove it, just having it like this will be enough. We only need to access the top. Then we need to come down here and pull our steering lever adjustment and just pull it out to give us a bit of extra room. Once we've done that, there's another T20 found on the bottom here. It needs to be removed also. Once that's been removed, you'll be able to see that the trim pulls forwards and down off these little dowels. You will need to take the key out first though in order to get it off. Once lower trim has been removed, come round to the ignition and to the left of it you will see a grey plug going into the bottom of the switch. Simply push the tab in and unplug it. Now if you come back up to the top, lift the trim up that we loosened earlier and follow the stalk along to the edge and you'll find here a little clip. If you push the clip back and pull up on the stalk, the whole thing should remove. And it's as simple as that guys. Grab your new one, put it all back in the reverse order and job's a good one. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.